Dumelang, Tobela, Sawubona. I'm Tato. I'm here with Monde from AgricultSURE. Today we're going to be showing you guys on how to prep or cultivate your home garden setup egg.
When picking a site for your garden, make sure you have access to direct sunlight and a good well-drained soil. The guide rope has three main functions. The first function is to mark out the garden using the blue and the red markers. The second function is to use the different color-coded markers to locate the planting rows. Its final function is to use the rope to plant in straight rows.
Use the guide rope or a tape measure to mark the corners. The blue dots are spaced 5 meters and represents the length of the garden, while the red dots or marks are spaced 3 meters and represents the width. Use the garden fork to cultivate the soil, preferably after a good rain or thorough irrigation to make the process easier. Break up large clumps of soil using the back of the garden fork, creating a fine, smooth seed bed ideal for the small seeds of vegetable crops. Use the garden rake to further level the bed, preparing it for fertilizer application. Spray the 500-gram bag of fertilizer evenly across the entire seed bed, working in sections to ensure consistent coverage. Distribute the fertilizer gradually to avoid clumping. Once applied, use the garden rake again. Thoroughly mix the fertilizer into the topsoil. Smooth the surface, remove larger clods, and tidy up the bed's edges for a neat and even finish. And that's how you prepare a perfect seed bed.
As you can see, it's a simple process, but if you do it, you're gonna have a great yield.